Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will discuss about PyScript. Yes, so PyScript is a new framework that integrate with your browser code, that is HTML, and allows the user to run your Python code. So in this video let's understand what is PyScript in detail. So as I told you, so PyScript is a framework that allows user to create a rich Python applications in browser using HTML interface. So PyScript aims to give users a first-class programming language that has consistent styling rules, which has more expressive, and it is easier to learn. So basically, the idea behind PyScript is very simple. So where the data scientists can create websites around their models in their favorite language, provided they have fundamental HTML knowledge. So now let's try to see how we can just install and use the PyScript in HTML. Okay, fine. So now you can just log on to pyscript.net. Okay, so this is the official web page. Okay, so where you can read about the PyScript. So this is what the information is. Okay, right. So PyScript is a framework that allows user to create rich Python applications in the browser using the HTML interface. Right. So this is what we discussed a few minutes back. So to run the PyScript, okay, so we have two tabs here. Okay, you can see like we have something called download. If I expand this, so we need to download this PyScript. Okay, so we need to unzip that downloaded file, and we need to copy those assets in the HTML file. Okay, this is what the one way. Okay, so but we have something called install. Okay, so you can see that it's just kidding. Okay, we don't want to install anything. Okay, to run Python inside the HTML. So basically to try PyScript, okay, so we need to import the PyScript to a HTML page with this script and link tags. Okay, so I'll just show you that. Okay, so just remember to run Python in HTML, only thing we need is only these two lines of HTML. Fine. So here in brief you can see some of the core components of the PyScript. So when we talk about core components, there are majorly two components. Okay, we have something called PyScript. Okay, so that can be used to define a Python code that is executable within the web page. Okay, and the element itself is not rendered to the page and only used to add the logic. That is what the PyScript is. And we have a one more component of PyScript that is called py-repl. Okay, so it is a REPL component, okay, that is rendered to the page as a code editor and allows user to write code that can be executed. I'll just show you the both the components. Okay, so what we'll do is I have the sublime, you can see. So right now I don't have I've not saved this, so let's go and save this file. I'll go to save. I'll save this file uh, in the desktop. So I'll just give the name as pydemo.html and click on save. So this is HTML document. So let's add the basic HTML template. Type HTML and hit tab. So title you can just give it so if it is required. So what we'll do, let's go and copy the two lines of code which I showed you, right? So let's go here. So I need these two lines of code. I'll just copy this. So let's go Sublime. So you need to paste it inside the head section. Okay, so I don't want to add any title. So this is what this is where you need to add the script, okay, and the link inside the head section. So now so as I told you, so we have a two major components, right? So one is PyScript and we have py-repl. So let's first, I'll just show you for the PyScript. So we have something called PyScript. Just type py script. This is the opening tag, and even we have the closing tag also. Okay, so even I'll just close it. Yeah, so inside this PyScript, so we can write the Python code. So for example, if I write print, I'll just type hello. Okay, so let's see like if it's working. So what I'll do, I'll just go here, I'll click on save. Okay, so let's go to the desktop. So we have this py demo. So what I'll do, I'll just double click this. So if I just copy this, so you can see here, so or else you can just check it in the Chrome. I'll just use it in the Chrome. You can see I'm getting hello here, right? So it will take some time. Okay, you can see like I'm able to display the hello. So if I just tightly add some for loops, like for num in range 1 to 10, then just print num. So let's save this, Control S, and let's try to refresh. Did I make any mistake? For num in range 1 to 10, print num, so this is fine. So Control S. So now let's try to run this. So we are getting some error, that is indentation error. Okay, unexpected indent. Okay, so now let's save this and run once again. Okay, so there was indentation error. Okay, so just make sure that you have given the proper indentation. So we have a PyScript. So this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag, and we have a print statement. I'm just written for loop here, right? So now let's go and refresh. Already refreshed, can see. So if I just refresh once again, and this is what we are getting. Okay, so this is using the inline style. Okay, so which means the Python code itself is written inside the PyScript tag, right? And you can use all the data structures and external Python libraries inside the PyScript tag as well. Okay, but make sure you take care the indentation of the Python code. This is very much important. So now so even we have something called external style. So what is the meaning of external style? So which means the Python code is written in another file with the .py extension, and we can just link the PyScript tag. So like how we link with the CSS and the JavaScript, right? So we'll add a script over here similarly, so we can link that. Okay, so this is what the external style is, with the help of giving the proper source. Okay, so I'll okay, so now we'll see like another component, that is py-repl. Okay, so so if you are using the empty tags like py-repl, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So basically it will create a single line editor similar to the text box, so where you can write the code and execute it on your browser. So you can see this is the opening tag of py-repl and this is the closing tag. So if I just try to save this and let's try to open it. So I'll just open it. So you can see, so this is what the text box is. So here you can just try to enter like print. If I just write hello, and you can see here we have a run button. So you can see, so I'm able to execute the Python code inside this, right? So these are the major two components. Okay, so that is PyScript. Okay, so which can be used to define a Python code that is executable within the web page, and we have a py-repl, so which creates REPL component that can render to the page as a code editor, right? So these are the two ways how we can just use the PyScript. Please subscribe to my channel, so I'll be making more content related to data science, big data, machine learning, deep learning, and and other like Python programming and R programming. So subscribe to my channel. So let's